Now we shall explore the probability of not. When you want to find the probability that an event does not occur or will not occur, you find the probability of the event and subtract it from 1. Probability of not is 1 minus the probability of the event happening. Now let's go to a whiteboard. So example 1. A bag contains 7 white balls, 2 red balls, and 2 black balls. A ball is picked from a bag at random. Find the probability of not picking a white ball. So we have 7 white balls, 3 red balls, and 2 black balls. From the board, our total outcome would be 12. So we have 12 balls. And we are asked to find the probability of not picking a white ball. The number of white ball on the board is 7. So the probability of picking a white ball is 7 over 12. We simply subtract this probability from 1. Let's go to the board and see how we can subtract, get our final answer. Total outcome is equal to 12. Number of white balls is equal to 7. Probability of white balls will be equal to 7 over 12. Probability of not white ball, of not picking a white ball, will be equal to 1 minus 7 over 12. Now, when subtracting a fraction from 1, just subtract the numerator from the denominator and write whatever you get over the denominator. So when I take away 7 from 12, I'll get 5 all over 12. So the probability of not picking a white ball is simply 5 over 12. It is, on the other way around, it is simply the probability of picking the other balls. The probability of not picking a white ball is the probability of picking the other ball. That's the probability of picking any of the other balls, which is 2 plus 3, 5 over 1. Now let's look at another interesting topic, probability of and. The probability of picking either a black and a white ball is calculated by multiplying the probability of these two individual balls. Probability of A and B is simply the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. Let's take this example. A number is chosen at random from 1 to 10. Find the probability of selecting factors of 4 and factors. The first thing we must do is to list out the factors of 4 and the factors of 6. To know the numbers of factors of 4 between 1 to 10 and numbers of factors of 6 between 1 to 10. Let's do this on our factors of 4. We'll be equal to 1, 2, and 4. While factors of 6 will be equal to 1, 2, 3, and 6. Probability of factors of 4 will be equal to 1, 2, 3 over 10. The total outcome is 10, 1 to 10. While probability of factors of 6 will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over 10. Therefore, probability of 4
and 6
will be equal to 3 over 10 times 4 over 10, which is simply 12 over 100. We can break this down using 4. 4 here gives me 3, 4 here gives me 25. So our final answer will be 3 over 25. Math is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. See you in our next